Unwind with a beer of your choice. As for me, I will be having HWY IPA from Belching Beaver. This beer stands at a 7.3 alcohol by volume with an IBUs of 65. In 2014, this beer was awarded medals at the World Beer Championships. Out of the bottle and into the glass, it pours, it hazy, golden, with a tint of orange. Its frothy white head lingers, which proves its yeast has a bready must. Yet its bitterness is not overwhelming, while its piney tangerine refreshes your palate as the caramel malts have you gazing as it swirls. The young woman gazing at her book doesn't seem to care about my Belching Beaver, but you do. Would you like a sip? These are only pixels on the screen. Go and get your beer, 'cause this is mine. We hope you are sitting comfortably. Enjoy your evening, and we'll see you on the next one.
Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Make sure to hit that like button. It'll really help this channel grow. Also subscribe for any future videos.